This is Mark Kaufman, Blackboard Senior Partner Software Engineer, and today I'm making this email for you so that you can see how to take a group that was managed by an individual's email address account on the developer portal and transfer that group to an organizational email. The best practice is to have an organizational email manage your group, your production groups, so that as individuals come and go from your organization, you can add or remove them from this email group or email account. So how do you do that? Well, let's get started. We're going to log in with the individual account first. So you do need that individual's email and password to get in and get started. So we're going to take my mark.kaufman as blackboard.com, and we're going to say that's the individual's email address that we're going to work with here, and we're going to then transfer this to an organizational email. Now my organizational email is going to be markbikerkaufman@gmail.com, but we're going to then take a group that's in this account and transfer it to markbikerkaufman@gmail.com. So here, let's get started. Here we go. We go login. Now here I'm going to actually create a new group to work with. So I'm just going to call it the transfer group. Okay, now I've got a transfer group, and right now I am the admin. And if we look at the applications, I don't have any applications in this transfer group. Let's just take test one, and let's take it out of the B group and let's put it in the transfer group. So we'll just take it here and we just click and we go to the transfer group and we'll say update application. So now this application is in the transfer group. Now what I need to do is I need to create the organization email account that I'm going to transfer it to. So what I will do is I will log out, and right now I don't believe I have a markbikerkaufman@gmail.com set up, so I go ahead and I say I agree, and I change this and I give it a password. It's a weak password. We'll give it that as the last name. We'll say I'm not a robot. We'll create the account. Oh my, it's not liking this password that I have at all. Okay, let's try that again. All right, here we go. Well, let's see if it created, maybe it created it with the weak password. All right, it says it's already in use. Let's get out. Let's see if we can sign in. All right, you can see I'm in with that account, and I don't have any applications. I don't have any groups. Well, I have just this one group. So now, how do I get the group that I have on that other account to be working with this group? Well, with this account, what I do is I log out, So I've got the organizational email account, markbikerkaufman@gmail.com. And I log in with my mark.kaufman@blackboard.com account. And I go to my groups, and I select my transfer group. And now I add a developer. That's the trick. It's that little plus there. And I go ahead and I type the organizational email here. And I add the developer. And now you can see markbikerkaufman@gmail.com is the administrator of the transfer group. Now what I can do is I don't want that individual administering the transfer group any longer because I want to transfer it over to the organizational email. I could leave it here. I could still have the individual be an admin of the group if I desired. But if the individual leaves the organization, what I can do is I can log in with my organizational email. And you see here, I am the admin of the transfer group. Go here, go select the transfer group. And what I can do is I can just remove the blackboard.com email address, the individual's email. Click remove, and now markbikerkaufman@gmail.com is the sole owner of this group and the sole owner of the application that was put in that group, test 1. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you find that helpful.